In this video, I will show you how to export site audit results in Semrush. First, log into your Semrush account. On the left side of your screen is your menu list where you can find all the tools and settings. And on top are your profile, search bar, and other options. Next, go to the left side of your screen and pop out your menu list. Hover over SEO dashboard, which is at the top of the list. A pop-up will appear. Scroll down and click on Site Audit. Once you're redirected to your Site Audit board, under Projects, click on the project name you want to export results from. On the top right corner, you will see the Export button. Click on it and a drop-down menu will appear. From here, you can choose your preferred export format and proceed with your download. And that's how to export Site Audit results in Semrush.